Welcome again to another edition of the Angelina Show. Oh, just kidding. All right, anyways, we're back to here. Hopefully you've watched the first two videos.
Yes.
And you've gotten to the third video on our G.P.S. Goals Planning and Success Kit that we put together to help everybody plan for their trade shows. Again, to let some of you know, we run people through our own version of this, very detailed, and pre-show, pre-new booth designs. Sometimes during the process, during the show, we pull this stuff up and we work on it. And so we want to pass this this knowledge on to everybody, and hopefully make people have better and more successful shows. So what you should have already seen, if not, you should back away and go back and see these first two videos. But we start in our deck with
the Road to Success worksheet, which is where we identify our big, hairy, audacious goal. And the second one is the engine diagnosis, which lays out what worked and what didn't work in the past.
So what we are going to be looking at in this video is the road work ahead. So basically, you've taken a look at the past and what did or didn't work, but really you're really working off of this success criteria. So you've hopefully got 18, 20, 25 things that you've established as benchmarks that you need to succeed, for you to succeed at this event or this new build or whatever you're doing. But once you have that, then what we want you to do is really look at what these roadblocks possibly be. What are the challenges to, let's just say, my booth staff needs to be more diverse. So maybe that was one of your success criteria. Well, then what is the roadblock? You know, in this case, it could be too many salespeople and not enough expertise in engineers, let's say, or someone to answer technical questions. So the obstacle might be, I have a small booth space and I can only bring so many people.
Yeah. So,
you know, that might end up here as your obstacle. Now, the other one is the strategy to it. So what I get is, you get a group of you in a room, or maybe it's you, and you try to identify every freaking obstacle. For us, when we go to our trade show, Joe Anderson is our obstacle.
Number one.
And so he becomes our number one, and he's filming this, just so you know. But yeah, I mean, it could be Bob in sales is your number one obstacle, you know, or the curmudgeon engineer who comes every year and hates coming to the show. Well, put him down there to the more, you know, technical things. Then you got to work on the strategies. So our recommendation is if you got a firm or a company like us, lean on someone from the outside who's doing this for a lot of different companies. We get to work on strategies from everything from a mom and pop candle company to a Fortune 500 company. So we get exposed to a lot of these things. We might have ideas and different things come from other areas. So same thing internally. Maybe you pull someone from the sales team in, someone from production team, someone from upper management, and you run through these strategies to overcoming these obstacles. Simple things, people, but just coming up with this 25, coming up with, you know, 25 obstacles that you need to overcome, all steps before you buy anything, before you sign the dotted line, before you buy the swag, before you do anything. You really should be walking through these things. And we have more cards, so you're going to have to watch the next video.
Stay tuned.